Language is at the very heart of Shakespeare's genius, for all kinds of reasons. We come now to a central learning activity in this Shakespeare MOOC, which is called Speak the Speech. There are Speak the Speech learning activities in all 5 sections of this Shakespeare MOOC. This is where we help you come to grips with the different kinds of language that Shakespeare uses and when and why he uses that language. If you are already familiar with Shakespeare's plays, you may have noticed that they don't have many stage directions. That's because Shakespeare doesn't need stage directions, as the language he uses does a lot of this work. How clever is that? In each Speak the Speech learning activity, we will help you recognise the special features of Shakespeare's language that tell us about his characters, about their emotional states, and about the interactions between them. During the Speak the Speech learning activities, we will give you the opportunity to learn about the context and the meaning of the speech. We then provide you with an interactive text of the speech that enables you to explore it. The interactive text demystifies some of the words that Shakespeare uses, explains the language features in the speech, and tells you about why the character or characters are speaking in the ways that they are. You can then watch and listen to the speech being spoken. This will enable you to see and to hear how the language can be interpreted by performers when spoken. Finally, you'll get the opportunity to jump into the discussion forum to share your comments about the reading of the speech. In this section, we have 2 speeches from Hamlet rather than 1. The What a Piece of Work is a Man speech from Act 2, Scene 2, and Shakespeare's most famous speech, To Be or Not to Be, from Act 3, Scene 1. We have 2 people speaking each speech, Associate Professor Ben McCann, as well as Emeritus Professor Tom Burton. This means that in both Speak the Speech sequences in this section, you can also compare and contrast the 2 readings of each speech and discuss which one you prefer and why. So jump in and begin exploring the language that Shakespeare uses in the What a Piece of Work is a Man speech, beginning with its context and meaning. I look forward to reading your comments about it.